The generator on the car is going to be the hydrogen fuel cell, which will take in hydrogen and air and combine the oxygen and hydrogen to create electricity. This is then used to run the motor and to charge the batteries. Primarily we use the hydrogen fuel cell to charge the batteries, but if we need a bit of extra power, we draw the power from the batteries and the hydrogen fuel cell.
This week we took the fuel cell that we already took out of the box and we placed all the auxiliary systems around it. We connected all the pipes for the radiator, the circulation pump, and also the blower to suck in the air of the fuel cell. So we connected all the auxiliary systems. We made a little circuit board motor controller so we can control the speed of all the motors. Then in the prac we connected everything together, we put power to it, and we actually, for the first time, we started the hydrogen fuel cell, and it worked. Everything was 100%, so we're very excited about that.
So this is a fuel cell that we've stripped out from MTN. It's quite simple. You use hydrogen, compressed hydrogen and air. That's where you get the oxygen, and from that we get electricity that we can use to power the car. There's three systems on the car: the air system, hydrogen system, and then the coolant system. First there's the air system. Air enters through this filter and goes through a humidifier, keeps the right humidity that goes into the fuel cell stack, that enters the fuel cell. Then we have the hydrogen system. We have 5.5 bar hydrogen that goes through a solenoid valve and a second regulator. Gets reduced to about 0.1 bar. That goes into the fuel cell stack, and then there's a recirculation system. Then there is the cooling side. We have a radiator containing glycol mixed with distilled water.
By the way, this weekend you can say goodbye to.
Pretty much.
Because we're all going to be. Yeah, that weekend. Goodbye. Overs. Coming here. We're gonna.
This weekend?
Yes.
Oh.
Sorry for you.
Leak detection is very important when working with hydrogen. That's why we use a leak detector. It's kind of like a soapy liquid, and we spray it on all the fittings for hydrogen, and just to see if there are any bubbles that basically indicates if there's a leak.